Hello, world travelers. Thanks for joining me on our first road trip together. I am Grayson Jack, and today I am taking you through a small part of the Second Watchung Mountain along Long Road, located in Bernards Township in central New Jersey. We're starting our drive today on the Washington Valley Road in Bridgewater Township. Long Road intersects with Washington Valley Road. Long Road climbs onto the spine of the Second Watchung Mountain. Behind us, the Washington Valley sits tucked between the ridges of the First and Second Watchung Mountains, a natural corridor once used by George Washington's troops as a protected encampment during the Revolutionary War. Immediately after turning onto Long Road, you'll feel the elevation change. These mountains are actually volcanic in origin, formed over 200 million years ago from massive basalt lava flows as the supercontinent Pangaea began to rip apart. The Lenape Nation called these Watchunks, the high hills. Indeed, the Watchung Mountains are really high hills, reaching heights above sea level of about 400 feet in the first Watchung Mountain to about 600 feet in the second mountain. It is early April, and central New Jersey is still rising from what was one of our coldest winters. Most trees are still bare, but in a few short weeks this will be a dense forest on either side of us, and it serves as a critical ecosystem that acts as a natural barrier to the urban sprawl just a few miles to our east. While the first Watchung Mountain, in some places, often gets the glory for its views of the New York City skyline, the second ridge offers a quieter, more isolated feel. Keep an eye out for the local wildlife. This area is a haven for hawks and migratory birds that use these thermal updrafts to glide across the Jersey landscape. We're passing through some of the most serene residential stretches in Somerset County. Just a short distance from this route are historic sites like the Wallace House in Somerville, where Washington spent a winter, and the rugged trails of Washington Valley Park. The road begins to level out as we approach its end at its intersection with Mountain Road in Bernards Township. Here, the rugged trap rock geology of the Watchungs gives way to the rolling hills of the Somerset Hills. That's it. We're about to end our journey. From revolutionary hideouts to prehistoric volcanic flows, this short stretch of asphalt packs a lot of New Jersey history. Thanks for riding along. Catch you on the next drive.